UV Light Sanitizer, ANCROWN 2020 New Ultraviolet Disinfection Lamp Sterilizer Wand, Portable Handheld Efficient Professional Disinfector for Purifying Air and Disinfecting Objects. Comprehensive protection. According to the approved laboratory research, the ultraviolet disinfection stick can kill 99.99% of harmful substance. It can be used in mobile phones, iPods, keyboards, laptops, toys, toothbrushes, remote controls, door handles, toilet covers, mugs, steering wheels, hotel and family closets, toilets, and pet areas to achieve all-round protection. Enemy of harmful substance. It destroys the DNA structure of harmful substance to lose the ability to reproduce and then destroy harmful substance. 9's Fast Sterilization. Turn on the UV light. Simply sweep the UV light wand across the surface or stuff you desire to clean. It makes the environment safe and clean in 9 seconds without damaging any surface, makes non-toxic, no residue, no odor, no secondary pollution. Avoid direct exposure to the human body, pets or plant for long-term. Portable and safety. The ultraviolet light wand comes with compact design and lightweight, super convenient to store it in a backpack or suitcase for use while traveling and outings. It's your personal health expert, especially in the critical period. Smart auto timing off in 180 seconds to save power. Extra thoughtful child lock avoids kids misuse. Note and warning: due to the short wavelength, it is normal for 4 UVC LEDs to barely see the light on. People, pet, plant can't be exposed to the UVC light for a long time, especially the eyes and skin. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.